Do you want to know how to turn off contacts on Snapchat? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. Well, first of all, open Snapchat on your phone, then log into your Snapchat account. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on Bitmoji on the top left corner of screen, then tap on Settings on the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down under the settings and find Additional Services section. Under Additional Services sections, you'll find Contacts as your fourth last option. If you tap on it, you'll see Remove Synced Contacts from Snapchat option. Tap on it, then select Confirm. Once you do that, it's gonna take you to your phone's settings where you're gonna have to find Contacts and select None from there. And guys, that's it. That's how you turn off contacts for Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.